Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the BAL X-Chocks. You know how when you're in your camper and it moves back and forth as you're walking around in the camper, and especially if you have grandkids in there jumping all over the place, it moves around quite a bit. We have a solution for that. X-Chocks by BAL. These will stop the movement, back and forth movement of your RV. These X-Chocks can be easier to put on. You just put them between the tires. Use the wrench that comes with them. These also have holes. You can put a lock in there, which would add security to your RV. These X-Chocks are really built well, and you're supposed to take them off before you connect your tow vehicle. And if you forget to take them off before you move your tow vehicle, you're going to know pretty quick. If you want a set of X-Chocks for your RV, hit my Amazon link below. It'd help me out. Also, hit the subscribe button and a like, and we'll see you next time.